Do you feel that your social media marketing is a time-sucking black hole? Are you worn out from manually creating posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing statistics across multiple platforms? Your days of suffering through social media are finished. The busy work can be automated by AI systems, giving you time to focus on creativity and strategy. In this video, I'll demonstrate how AI can plan content, create graphics, find trends, and advance your social media with minimal work. AI helpers are now available that can complete jobs that once took hours in a matter of minutes. No more excessive social media maintenance. Let's use artificial intelligence to our advantage to produce results while saving you time and energy. Prepare to have your head blown by these AI tools for social media marketing. It is impossible to emphasize how important social media marketing has become to any business plan. Businesses now have the option to use an AI business assistant to automate their social media marketing duties, thanks to the development of AI technology. By greatly streamlining processes and increasing productivity, this automation enables organizations to concentrate on other crucial facets of their operations. Utilizing data-driven insights is one of the primary advantages of automating social media marketing operations with AI. AI algorithms are able to analyze enormous amounts of data from social media sites, more accurately than ever before, recognizing trends, patterns, and client preferences. This gives companies the ability to develop relevant, personalized content that connects with their audience and increases brand loyalty. Additionally, organizations can save time and money by automating repetitive processes like scheduling postings or reacting to comments. The AI business assistant smoothly takes over these routine tasks, freeing up human employees to focus on more creative tasks like creating persuasive advertisements or inventing innovative tactics, which ultimately improves productivity and benefits the company's bottom line. In conclusion, social media marketing is crucial for every company hoping to succeed in the current digital environment. Businesses can acquire priceless insights while reducing their time and resource requirements by integrating AI technology into their marketing campaigns with an AI business assistant. It's not just about remaining relevant, it's about maximizing the impact of innovation in a highly competitive online environment where success strongly depends on effective customer engagement across a variety of social platforms. The field of social media marketing has undergone a transformation, thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, which has given companies strong tools to automate and improve their online presence. The ability of AI to analyze vast amounts of data, which enables businesses to comprehend their target audience on a deeper level, is one of the primary advantages of AI in social media marketing. Businesses can gain insightful information about consumer preferences and behavior patterns by utilizing AI algorithms, which will help them customize their content and adverts for optimal impact. Additionally, chatbots that use AI are becoming more and more common in social media marketing. These sophisticated virtual assistants can interact with customers in real time, giving them tailored responses and support whenever they need it. Businesses may increase customer happiness and boost overall brand awareness by automating customer interactions. Furthermore, AI-powered chatbots free up human marketers to concentrate on more important projects by managing repetitive questions or duties. This saves time and resources. AI is essential for maximizing ad targeting on social media sites, in addition to data analysis and chatbot automation. AI can determine user preferences based on prior interactions and forecast which people are most likely to respond to particular advertising or offers using sophisticated machine learning algorithms. This enhances return on investment, ROI, while helping firms more effectively contact their target audience. With the aid of this technological strategy, marketers may quickly adjust their campaigns to the constantly shifting market conditions. The way firms approach social media marketing is revolutionized by AI-powered automation of content generation. Companies can now create high-quality and engaging content in a small fraction of the time it would take a human to do so manually, thanks to AI-powered tools. By regularly generating content, this not only frees up important resources but also enables brands to maintain a continuous online presence. The capability of AI to analyze massive volumes of data and derive insightful conclusions is one of the major advantages of automating content creation. AI technologies may search through tens of thousands of articles, blog posts, and social media comments to find hot themes and keywords using natural language processing algorithms. The creation of pertinent, targeted content that appeals to the target audience can then be done using this information. AI can also help in the creation of personalized content that is catered to particular clients or market segments. AI algorithms can make recommendations for particular goods or services that are likely to be appealing to each client by examining user behavior patterns and preferences. This degree of customization improves the user experience while also raising conversion rates. In conclusion, firms looking to optimize their social media marketing efforts can benefit greatly from automating content generation with AI. AI-powered solutions enable brands to maximize their online presence by doing anything from producing high-quality content at scale to giving customers personalized recommendations. Increasing audience targeting is one of the most effective uses of AI in social media marketing. With AI, marketers can delve deeper into user behavior and preferences to build hyper-targeted advertising instead of relying on basic demographics and broad interests as they did in the past. Artificial intelligence, AI, is able to spot patterns and trends that human marketers would easily miss by analyzing massive datasets and applying machine learning algorithms. Marketers have access to a multitude of insights that can help them optimize their efforts thanks to AI-powered audience targeting. To better understand a user's individual interests and preferences, AI can, for instance, examine their browser history, online purchases, social media activities, and other digital traces. This makes it possible to segment data more precisely based on unique behaviors as opposed to generalizations. Businesses may increase engagement and boost conversion rates by tailoring content and offers to these findings. In conclusion, by enabling customized experiences at scale, the use of AI for audience targeting has revolutionized social media marketing. Marketing professionals now have an unrivaled awareness of the subtleties of their target audiences because of the capacity to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. By utilizing this technology, companies can create personalized messages that engage with people on a personal level, establishing better relationships and maximizing the impact of their marketing initiatives. Harnessing AI's potential is crucial for any ambitious business wanting to earn money online in today's digitally driven world as its accessibility and complexity continue to advance across industries large and small. It has gotten harder to effectively manage many platforms since social media has become a crucial component of every company's marketing strategy. This is where artificial intelligence, AI, enters the picture and completely transforms how businesses manage their social media accounts. Businesses can automate their social media processes, from content production to scheduling and analytics, with AI-powered tools and algorithms. The ability of AI to analyze massive amounts of data and derive insightful conclusions is one of the most important advantages of utilizing AI in social media management. AI systems can track user behavior, interaction trends, and patterns across several platforms, giving advertisers useful data to better optimize their plans. AI not only saves time by automating this data analysis process, but it also enables organizations to make wise decisions based on reliable facts. AI can assist with content creation in addition to data analysis by proposing pertinent themes and providing customized captions or hashtags for articles. These clever algorithms analyze audience preferences using cutting-edge natural language processing techniques to provide interesting material that appeals to them. This expedites the content generation procedure and guarantees that businesses are posting the appropriate messages on their social media platforms at the appropriate times. Businesses can minimize human labor while boosting the effectiveness and precision of their marketing initiatives by utilizing AI technology for social media management activities. There is little doubt that these technologies will play a crucial part in determining the direction of social media marketing as they continue to develop quickly, offering brands a competitive edge in reaching and interacting with their target audiences online. Given the abundance of data accessible, measuring and analyzing performance in social media marketing can be a difficult undertaking. When these procedures are automated with AI technology, marketers are able to make better choices based on precise and timely insights. AI can gauge performance in various ways, including through sentiment analysis. Artificial intelligence, AI, is able to ascertain the tone of content using text analysis and algorithms for natural language processing about a company or product. This data offers priceless insight into user experience, brand impression, and customer happiness, enabling marketers to spot strengths and shortcomings that might otherwise go unreported. Additionally, by automatically gathering and processing data from numerous sources, like as website analytics tools or CRM systems, AI can help with measuring key performance indicators, KPIs. Marketers no longer have to spend hours manually collecting data from various platforms thanks to this automated method. Instead, customers receive real-time data from their AI-powered analytics platform on measures like click-through rates, centers, engagement rates, conversion rates, and overall campaign success. In conclusion, marketers aiming to automate their operations can benefit greatly from introducing AI into the assessment and analysis of social media marketing performance. AI enables quicker decision-making based on precise insights, from sentiment analysis to real-time KPI tracking. Businesses can stay ahead of the competition in a quickly changing digital landscape by utilizing this technology efficiently. In conclusion, developments in artificial intelligence, AI, technology will undoubtedly influence the direction of social media marketing in the future. AI will revolutionize both how consumers interact with social media platforms and how businesses sell their goods and services there as it continues to develop and enhance its capabilities. Personalization is a crucial component that will shape social media marketing in the future. Marketers will be able to better understand and segment their target audience by using AI-powered algorithms to analyze massive volumes of data, which will allow them to create content and adverts that are extremely relevant and effective. This degree of personalization will boost engagement rates, which will eventually boost conversion rates. In the near future, voice-enabled interactions with well-known social networking platforms can also be anticipated. With the introduction of smart speakers like the Amazon Echo or Google Home, voice recognition technology has already become a commonplace in our daily lives. Businesses can interact with customers through voice-based adverts or offer individualized recommendations based on previous encounters by utilizing AI's natural language processing skills.